All right, guys. Sit up in your chair. Sit back. Tilt your head back a little bit. Take a deep breath. Now exhale. Take a whiff of your breath. Some, when you smelt your breath, it was nice, pleasant, and fresh. Brings about confidence. Some, when you smelt your breath, probably smelt the last beverage that you drank. Maybe a cola, milk, orange juice, tea, coffee, milkshake, maybe even smoothie. Or some may have tasted, smell your last meal. Those two combinations together may bring about a bitter, rough, maybe even pungent smell. And you're probably wondering, man, why does my breath smell like that? I hope I didn't offend anybody. Man, what can I do to rectify that? Let's try this. Take your tongue and place it on your upper right-hand molar. Now glide your tongue from your molar to the premolar, to the canine, to the incisor, all the way to the opposite side molar. Now, as you glide your tongue across your teeth, some may have glided nice and clear and fresh feeling. Some, as you glide your tongue across, it's kind of bumpy, it was kind of rough. You felt some things that you probably never even felt before. Approximately 20% of U.S. adults have never flossed. About 90% of U.S. Americans 20 years or older have had a cavity. 42% of U.S. Americans has periodontal gum disease. Today, we're going to learn how to floss like a boss, the habit that changes your smile. Also, the health benefits of flossing for your mouth, body, and health. How easy it is to floss, and also the consequences of not flossing. Now that you know what we'll be talking about, let's pull the string. Pull the string and see why it matters. The health benefits of flossing. Flossing removes plaque and food that brushing misses. Also, flossing help prevent periodontal disease, cavities, and bad breath. Not only that, studies have shown poor oral hygiene is linked to heart disease and possible other health issues. Flossing our teeth. How often do people floss? According to Delta Dental, 41% once a day, 24% a few times a week, 11% a few times a month, 5% a few times a year, 20% never. I used to be part of that never. You may be part of that never. So let's see how we can get out that never and see how simple it is to floss. Flossing just a minute a day can protect your teeth. There are various ways to floss. You can use a basic floss, which has wax and non-wax, and some can have flavor. You can use a floss pick, or you can use a water pick that can help you. Also, just remember, just this simple habit a day can protect the funds that are in your pocket. Now, let's see how easy it is to floss. You pull out your floss of choice, about 18 inches long, wrap it around your finger. Place it down your teeth gently. As you place it down, you form a C shape. With that C shape, you go up and down, up and down, up and down. Now you reverse that C shape, and you go up and down, up and down, up and down. Now you do that throughout your whole mouth, upper and bottom. Once you're done, get your toothbrush, toothpaste of choice, brush your teeth, rinse it out. Now let's take that deep breath again. Exhale. Now how fresh is that? It's awesome, isn't it? Now that we see how easy it is to floss, now let's see the consequences of not flossing. Plaque hardens into tartar. Not only that, you get gum inflammation, which your gums bleed. Also, tooth decay. Then you get painful infection, and also periodontal disease. Not only that, not flossing can also cause a lot of health issues, such as heart disease, lung disease, diabetes, stroke, even arthritis. But not flossing can also cause you a lot of money out of your pocket. Simple tooth extraction is about $100 to $500 per tooth. Wisdom tooth removal is about $300 to $2,500 a tooth, especially if it's been impacted. Not only that, Dental implants cost you about $3,000 to $4,500 per implant. So guys, tonight, how many of y'all, when you go to bed, would take that 1 minute, yes, 60 seconds, just to floss your tooth up and down, up and down? If not, how about after lunch, just to floss your teeth up and down, up and down? Remember, your body depends on it, your health depends on it, and your smile depends on it. Thank you.